5. We had to change the name. Oh wait,
No.
and he was gonna tell the principal. So until
No,
we
and then we just showed
graduate,
it
this
for
is
the
our
whole
new
school.
name.
So then we'll go
Which
back.
is in 6 months.
But we're
go
gonna
back.
change in 6 months. We're gonna change it back to New Yorkers 5. So don't worry, it's
yeah.
still alive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
New Yorkers 5 lives on.
Okay, so today Emma's gonna be starting as the host, and them two are our team, and Mia are our team.
And we're doing it handcuffs.
Yeah, and she's gonna make the dares, and whoever does the dare faster.
That's mine. Yeah, I know.
Okay. Thanks for that. All right, let's get started.
You both to stand on those 2 chairs.
Oh boy.
These 2? Okay,
No, we have to. There you go. Okay, that was easy. 1 second before you not do it. So remember that we said.
Wait. Oh boy.
Ew. Imagine me and Emma handcuffed together.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
Me and
Hey,
Emma were
ready?
not.
Ready?
I can't see.
Ready? Stop it.
Wait, ready, set, go.
Go. Done.
Oh, they won.
We won the first round.
Ow!
Do you guys know how to get those off? No, can you?
Okay, so now Emma, you pick who you want to be with.
The other one's the host.
She knows she's mad at her. Oh.
So Sabrina's the host.
So guys, I'm the host.
front of your Apple Watch.
So I'm the host, and we're gonna have Leanna and Emma. I want you guys to run around the basement from starting here through the playroom back here and see how quick it takes you.
We'll be
Okay, I'll just go on this. Okay. Wait. Ready? Wait. Oh my. Stop. Ready? Set. Go. Here's the time right now.
Emma, you're killing me. Stop it.
And 5 seconds and 12.
So
and
keep
not fun. I don't think you guys realize how much that actually does hurt.
Silent.
One second.
Wait,
Taylor, I'm texting this to
Get this.
We'll get off.
There we go.
Guys, we got it. We got it.
Taylor and
Me.
Mia have to go.
Ow, Emma. Look at what this did.
Taylor, come on.
Taylor. Okay, hold on. Look what happened to me just from trying to take that off.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the candy shop.
If you really rock, you can get a lollipop.
Go, run.
Time, stop it. 4 seconds, exactly.
Wow, where's the
That
chips?
was crazy.
Alright, so now I pick the lose it from someone
Okay, I
from
know
the
how to
team.
get here, Emma.
I sit to dinner with you, I'll do it with Emma.
Oh my god, get this off of me, please. That hurts. Get this off.
Oh, doesn't it hurt?
Starting from the bottom, now we're here.
Dragging me
I
up.
swear, Taylor better cut that out.
Why do I get? Yeah, right, Taylor. What I did?
Starting from the bottom, now
When
we're
you drag
here.
someone, it hurts.
Starting from the bottom, now the whole team. You know, actually, I
Mia
like
just
it
goes,
loosey.
I want a snack.
I'm hungry. Yeah.
You
We
have
got you
to do a push up and get up.
Oh no.
Oh boy, I suck at push-ups.
You have to literally go.
I'm very good at
Like,
it.
it's
And I'm gonna have to
You guys get down. Ready, so?
Wait.
Right?
Ready, set, go.
Oh god.
Sabrina,
No, it's not a push-up. I can't do a push-up.
This is not a push-up. Go like this. Go down.
I suck at push-ups.
And then up.
Fine, ready? Wait.
set, go.
Go.
Yeah, everyone.
2.46.
Leanna, who do you want to do it
Get
with?
this off. That hurts so bad.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the candy shop.
If you really rock, you can get a lollipop.
Left hand, you have to write subscribe.
Stop it.
Set, go. Subscribe.
Oh, Sabrina has a right hand.
Yeah, it's so much easier. I can't write with my left hand, so it sucks. Okay, just keep going, go.
Who writes? Do you write really fast?
Yeah, I
So
need
do
to
your
use
left
this.
hand.
No, I need to use this.
Okay.
I don't
14
write
seconds.
fast.
Oh, that sucked.
So you do all your
Guys, it's rounded to 15 seconds.
What was yours? 15 seconds. So restart it.
14.6.
Oh wait, can you hold this?
It's 14.6.
Well, we
So
should have done
remember
that.
this is-
Wait, but
Taylor
don't you
has
know how
to
to
do
write
it.
with both?
Here.
Yeah.
And wait, you're doing your right hand, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hold this for a second? Yeah.
Wait, no, you need to.
You're so
You need to wait.
ready.
Set,
Wait.
Ready, set, go.
We lost.
What is it?
11.25.
Oh!
Again? Emma, who do you want to do it with? Me or Leanna?
Wait, it's knock, this, knock, that, knock this, knock that, knock this, that.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Knock, this, knock, that, knock this, knock that, knock this, that.
4 seconds and 45.
So Mia.
So that's rounded to 4 seconds.
Yeah, and the minutes.
Ready?
Ready?
Wait. Okay.
And you know we're doing
Wait,
knock,
ready,
knock, 'cause I'm gonna-
set, go.
Knock, knock, this, knock, knock, that, knock, this, knock, that.
They won.
Oh God.
What was their turn?
Get off.
Okay, I'm getting it off. Relax.
I did mine too tight. Too tight.
Okay, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below for other video ideas you'd like to see. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.